friends, Running Kimono here. We're looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 14th to the 20th. The first deal is done curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. Deal number one, we're actually stacking two boosters, the 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper and a 10 back when you spend 45 on general merchandise. These two are in fact stacking, and it's giving you $20 on a $45 basket. Plus, there is a promotion with P&G Brand Saver for an additional $5 as a gift card. So we're going to investigate that in a quick second. First item we're going to toss into our basket. Obviously, you need your two boosters loaded. Two of these CHARMINs, and we have a $5 and a $2 digital loaded to your card as well. My absolute favorites, the $6.99 puffs with the $3 digital. Hopefully you have the same coupon as I. And then we're going to grab the little sister, which is the $5.49 puffs with the $1 digital attaching as well. Lotion or non-lotion, you pick whichever ones you want. And then one of these 6 equals 12 Bounty paper towels with the $2 digital. And this friend is $12.99. To show you our gorgeous chorus line, $5 CHARMIN, $3 puff, $2 Bounty, $2 CHARMIN, $2 puffs, and then June 15th taking $5.77 off. So the overall total for your haul is $51.45. Subtracting $5.77 with that promo code, it's at $45.68. So for the spend 45 to earn back 10, you are there. And for the spend 40 to earn back 10, you are there. $13 in manufacturers melting off, and you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash. Well, it's looking like our basket is $12.68, but there's a gift card we can apply for here in a second. And remember, for the balance, as you're stacking two boosters, pay with your debit, credit, PayPal, whatever. Do not use any Walgreens cash or you will mess everything up. When you're at the store, ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt, snap a picture of it, and you will qualify for the spend 20 to earn back 5 on P&G brandsaver.com. You have to sign up for an account, but you get a little gift card. So after that, it makes your haul $7.68 for all of that magic and all of that paper. What a deal. Okay, the next couple deals we're doing curbside, but we're doing it with discount codes. It's not a big booster basket. This first is to grab these $5 Walgreens paper towels. There is $1.50 off that will apply to each. Now, if you're not too fancy on grabbing all paper towel, I think you can grab like their knockoff solo cups or the generic plates. There's a whole host of items that are applying with that $1.50 store coupon. As you see, my $1.50 store coupon, it multiplied by 4, so that's $6 off. And then using the code WAG10, an additional $1.40 off. So that's $7.40 melting off right there. So that's the kind of melting we love to see in these summer months. $20 subtracting $7.40, a little bit of tax, $13.36. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. This is not a booster deal. Pay $3.36 and call this a very smart basket. And for those of you that are curious, like, what is this paper towel like? If you've ever tried Sparkle, I'm pretty sure it's made in the same factory, same absorbency rate, same thickness. It's a good paper towel. Deal number 3, again, we're still doing this one curbside, kind of a goofy little fun promotion. These 4 counts of the Walgreens toilet paper and then the singles of the paper towel are $2.79, buy one, get one for $1. And the paper towel, I believe, is $1.99, buy one, get one for $1. So you have to buy these in multiples of 2, and yes, you can mix and match. So as you see here, I put 3 toilet papers for $6.58. And then I put an additional 5 paper towels for $6.98. 3 plus 5 is 8. So I have 4 sets. So 4 of these, technically, I'm paying $1 for. Hopefully that math balances out. But buy them in sets of 2 to get the buy one, get one for $1. Hopefully that's crystal clear. These are huge amounts of paper towel, and it's a good amount. It's very similar to Bounty. So just to show you this, you can use the code WAG10. So why it's advantageous to order these 8 units curbside than to do it in store, it's to save that additional $1.36, and a lot of us like to save extra money, so this is the way to do it. The overall total for your balance here is $13.56. WAG 10 taking $1.36 off tax, so $12.93. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.93 and call this a very smart basket for 8 units of paper. We're back in store, and if you're not going to do any paper deal, at least do this one. This massive, almost $9 puffs, the lotion or the ultra soft, that's typically $8.99, is $6.99 this week. We have a $3 only for you, dropping this friend down to $3.99. It's $1 per box, and this is definitely a stock up price for puffs. It's such a great brand for facial tissue. So if you're going to do no deal, this would be the one that I would absolutely do to stock up. Why not? And this is the one item subsequently everybody's always asking for, and I'm like, I don't have it. And last week I went and got some, and then this week through the power of the Walgreens app, I got this $3 coupon. So I'm like, yes, this is fantastic. Final deal we're looking at, you can either do it curbside or you can do it in store. WAG 10 will not apply for this, but if your store never prints out register rewards or it's just always a big problem, I would definitely do this one curbside. It's to grab 2 of the Scott toilet paper and 2 of the Scott paper towels. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You don't have to load any special coupon for that other than to punch in your store card phone number. $2 reward in store when you buy 4, and then curbside is $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy 4. So either or. And then just to give you eyes on what the coupons look like, you're going to have to hit the plus button to load both of them. We have a 2 off of 2 for the toilet paper and a 2 off of 2 for the paper towel. Now, just to save me a bit of time here, I'm just showing you this as a curbside pickup. So tossing 2 of them into the basket for the paper towel for $7.50 and then 2 toilet papers for $7.50. You can either grab the unscented, which are these 12 counts, or the 6 counts, which are the smaller rolls, and it's a scented lavender one. And what I do is, if you don't like that lavender smell, just in the center of the tube, that toilet paper holder, just pull it out. It's made out of paper, and that's where the perfume is. I can't even smell it, guys. Just to show you, $4 is coming off. If you're doing this curbside, WAG 10 will not apply for this because I think they're thinking that the buy one, get one 50% off is discounted enough. But the overall total for this is $15, subtracting the $4 in manufacturers. The total is $11.90. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. In store, you're going to get a $2 register reward. Curbside, you're going to get $2 in Walgreens cash. To answer another quick question, you won't get both if you do it in store thinking, oh, I'll get both, I'll blah, blah, blah. No, I wish, but absolutely not. That's it for this video. Stock up on paper this week, guys. Be super smart, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.